confidence, strength, motivation. It's hard to be an alpha, but luckily you have a guide. Alpha Rob has taught millions of men how to be alpha males. This is Alpha Tips. What's up, all my alphas in training? It's me, Alpha Rob, back with more Alpha Tips, where I will teach you all the information you need to crush life, score babes, and tackle all your goals. All right, let's get into it. Squirrel kisses. Well, that's it for this time, Beta Roonies. Make sure all you alphas in training like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wreck that notification bell because it helps. I'm Alpha Rob. I love you all. Bye.